Hey, good afternoon, Shadows. So today's been kind of a lazy day. Well, not really lazy. I've been really bound up working. But I thought because yesterday I got here so... I didn't get here late, but I just didn't get a chance to show you around, that I would take you on a little tour of the hostel I'm staying in. It is Florian's guest house, and I booked it on Hostel World, so I'll make sure I'll link in the description below to both the website for the hostel itself as well as Hostel World, so you can check it out. I can't suggest it enough. Let's take a little tour. So, this is my room. Right now, I am the only one in here. My roommate left this afternoon to head back down to Toronto, where I came from. So that is the room. We're gonna take a little tour around here. So this is the bathroom. So, you know, pretty nice. It does the part, but the golden part is the scenery outside. So let's take a little tour. I'm gonna show you around a little bit. So it Florian actually has like gardens and orchard. They make wine and everything else. So there is definitely, check it out, some really cool things. Super peaceful, really great. They offer like dinner at night for really inexpensive, and it's all organic, vegetarian, Albanian, so check it out. Super not excited there's a free range chicken here, but we're gonna go around. So it's really nice. Has like this little eating area. This is where we eat at dinner, and I'll show you tonight when we have dinner. But yeah, it's really, really nice. Like I said, great food. Florian is awesome. Really super knowledgeable about like Albanian history and that kind of stuff. So yeah, if you're coming to Shkoder, make sure you check out this place. It's a little outside of the city center, so it's a little bit more peaceful. Yeah, I can't suggest enough. Like I said, I'll link in the description down below, guys, to the website, as well as he also has a an excursion kind of thing as well. I'll link to that as well. Check it out. Yeah, and make sure you hop over to social media. I'll be posting pictures and all that kind of stuff. Cool, we'll talk later. I'm heading back to work. So another cool thing, Florian offers, like I said, excursions. Last night he took us to the castle as well as the old bridge. Super cool. He tries to do it at night so you can kind of get the sunset. Unfortunately, yesterday was a little cloudy, so we really didn't get that, but still got the full effect. It was amazing. So he's so super helpful, guys. Like seriously, if you're coming through Shkoder, if you're in Albania, like make sure you check Florian's guest house out. Yeah, alright guys, we'll see you later. Good morning, Shadows. So yesterday was very productive, but basically a do-nothing day for you guys. Today we are walking into the city center. I'm hoping to maybe see hoping to maybe see the museum, maybe find where my bus takes off tomorrow, and just kind of check out the town. It's about a 30-minute walk into town, so getting my exercise on, but the walk is not bad. Check it out. Right, not too bad. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful day, not too hot. Yeah, so let's see what we can see today in Shkoder. It is the best place to go to on your way through Albania to get to Montenegro, so let's check it out. Alright guys, so walked in the wrong way, but that's okay. I got to see some really cool things. I almost splurged on lemon ice cream, but I'm trying to be a good girl, and maybe later. And so we're headed back the right way, and we'll see what's on that way. Alright. Alright guys, so I kind of decided to just scrap the museum and just kind of walk and wonder. It's kind of what I did. Yeah, I think I'm just like maybe museumed out for a day, and also I felt like the Tirana Museum was pretty comprehensive, so I don't think I need to see another one. So I just kind of walked the streets. I think I'm getting ready to head back. We're gonna get our souvenir and maybe a snack, definitely some water, and then just kind of chill. But I think I'm gonna sit here in the city center for a couple minutes, just kind of checking it out, maybe watching some stuff go by. Check it out. Guys, so I'm trekking back in because silly me thought I had enough to pay for the room, and I do not, so I have to go in and find a ATM, which is not too bad, but still, I wasn't looking forward to walking this again. That's why you should always make sure you have enough money. And I thought about stopping at the ATM earlier, but I was like, no, I've got enough, it's cool. I didn't have enough. Alright, like I said, we'll chat later. Alright guys, so I made it to the bus. Woo, I was a little nervous for a little bit. And it's only €5, so that's really good. Yeah, so I'm just gonna chill, relax, wait to go.